In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then hit App Notifications and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same no gray switcher. You can even tap on any of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!